Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: the price you actually paid and the discount percent applied. Once done, convert the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. Next, form the core equation: discounted price equals original price times 1 minus the discount decimal. This gives you a solvable expression immediately. Make sure to use the exact numbers shown on the receipt or label, because small rounding differences change the final original price result. Now perform the algebra. Isolate original by dividing the discounted price by 1 minus the discount decimal. For example, divide the paid amount by 0.80 when the discount is 20%. Use a calculator to avoid small arithmetic errors and keep extra decimal places until the final rounding step. If multiple discounts applied sequentially, reverse them one at a time by dividing by each 1D factor in reverse order, because compounded discounts are not simply additive. Finish by rounding the computed original price to the nearest cent, then verify by applying the discount back. Multiply the original by 1 minus the discount decimal to see if you get the discounted price. If numbers don't match, recheck the discount percent, ensure you use decimal form, and confirm no sales tax or extra fee was included in the shown price. Troubleshooting tip: if denominator equals 0 or result is negative, you likely entered 100% or greater discount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.